Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. So ngayon, i-experience natin pare-parehas mag-charge ng bago nating Geely EX2 Max. Okay, step 1. Sinaksak muna namin ito ni Sir. Ito pala, yan. Alright? 2. I-on naman natin to. There. Pag-on natin yan, notice na umilaw na tong charger natin. Ibig sabihin, naka-power on na siya, pero not yet charging. Kasi, ikakabit pa lang natin. So, may 3 button siya, no? May power, 3 light siya, power, fault, and charging. Let's go. Pindutin na natin to. Mag-open na. Yan. And then, alisin natin yung nasa taas. There you go. And then, lastly, sasaksak natin to. Yan. That's it. Notice na nagbiblink na yung charging lights natin. Guys, pumasok ako dito sa loob. And you see here, ang indicator natin, starting charge natin is 29%. Remaining time natin is 11 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, so gusto ko lang banggitin na for Geely EX2 Max, wala tong app, mobile app, katulad ng ibang mga EV cars. So, I just wanted to mention na halimbawa, 11 hours and 14 minutes. Sa amin, ang indicator na ginagawa namin is nagsiset kami ng alarm para babalikan na lang namin siya kung kailan na siya full charge. Sa iba kasi may app, they would know, they will be notified kung fully charged na yung car. Since mapamaraan tayo, we suggest na you do the same. Mag-set na lang tayo ng alarm para alam natin kung full charge na yung mga EV natin. Guys, so that's it. This is just a very short video. Thank you again for watching. Again, a reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in the next one. Bye!